Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone by the box. You already know what these are. Get you a little bit of box action. We'll call this the African American elephant print box. See, elephant plus Jordan equals elephant Jordan, I guess. Get you a little bit of box action. These shoes read the Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Rush Orange Fossil Stone. Got a pair of these just for staring. Didn't manage to get a pair of my size for wearing, but the price of this shoe is all over the place, so you might get them, hold them. Some aren't worth anything, some are worth everything. In my opinion, the materials on the shoe are pretty good. If you like Jordan 3s, I can't see why you wouldn't get this Jordan 3 for your collection. This one is size 10. If you're interested, contact me and you can have this pair. I have a whole bunch in stock. I haven't really been making videos because I don't want to make the same videos as everybody else, but the show must go on. Nothing serious on this shoe. I think it's a good colorway. In my opinion, it's just a Jordan 3. Nothing spectacular, nothing bad. The materials, like I said, are good. You get no extra laces as far as I could see. Average Jordan tongue. All black shoe with the elephant print. African American elephant. A desert sand, whatever you guys want to call this shoe. Air Jordan or Jordan Air on the back, however you like to say it. Some more of the brown material. Same on this side of the shoe. The back of the tongue is orange, and you have that same elephant plus Jordan logo inside of the shoe. Normal Jordan 3 bottom. You guys look what the shoe is going to look like on your feet. Let me know if you guys were looking for a pair of these, if you got your hands on a pair, what you think about them. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Make sure you have a nice day. Jordan 3 Desert Elephant, I think they're calling these. The African American elephants. Bear with me guys, I'm doing this one at the desk. I lost the original video, sorry about that. But gonna get this shoe review out. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Dark Mariana Blue, Black and White. So you guys can see the materials on this shoe aren't too bad. You get 2 extra pairs of laces, white and black, and you can see you get blue in the shoe. The breakup on this shoe isn't too bad. You get blue mud guard, Mariana blue mud guard, I guess it is, to the black Nike background, all black leather, to the blue Nike swoosh, to the black Jordan Wings logo on the blue background. Same on this side of the shoe. You get the little Mariana blue bottom. Set this back up again. Said I don't know what happened to the original video, guys, so I had to just make it like this before I put these shoes in storage. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see. Let me know what you think about the Mariana Blue. Are you still buying Jordans? Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there.
Everybody fucking jump!